Hi, I'm Travis Bergens, Midwest Northeast Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. For over 4 decades, Lyco's been the recognized leader in the food industry with over 34 years experience manufacturing pouch chilling systems, starting with the first unit in 1988. That first system is still in operation today. Traditionally, Lyco chill flow pouch systems are known for high capacity lines ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 pounds per hour cooling systems. To meet our customers' needs, we're launching a brand new, smaller, compact version of our chill flow coolers for chilling soups and sauces. We're calling this new unit Mini Flex Chill Flow. These new systems are either 8-foot or 12-foot long and have a capacity range of 500 pounds per hour up to 3,000 pounds per hour. The control panel is user-friendly and mounted right on the side of the machine for easy installation and startup. The coolers can be run in 3 different modes: continuous mode, batch mode, or for very hard to cool and long cooling times, the unit can be filled and oscillated until cooling temperatures are met and then discharged. Here's how it works. Hot fill pouches enter the system through a water cushion infeed. The system is first in, first out with a starting flight and an ending flight. The product travels through the chiller at a set retention time. With our patented HydroFlow technology, ChillFlow is the fastest pouch cooling system to get your product through the danger zone of 130 Fahrenheit to 80 Fahrenheit, and it cools twice as fast as traditional belt or lane chillers. Finally, the unit has a single point discharge, which is ideal for a wide range of products. So if you have any pouch cooling or pasteurizing needs or would like more information, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call the office at 920-623-4152.